Okay, so let's go through what we have in the box. So first thing first is this head unit. So as you can see, it comes with ports, a power port, and USB, other connectivity, and the rear view camera port. It also has a GPS and 4G antenna port that the cable I can show you later. And here you go. And these are the harnesses that we received. So I ordered this one with the camera, a rear view camera, and its cable. And this package has two USB cable as well. 4G antenna, other connectivity options that if you want you can use it. The mic, an additional mic if you want to have better quality input of voice. An actual connector to the legacy port and to this head unit. A pry bar. So this is an additional cable that I received in the package, maybe for the older version of the connectors. I also ordered a dash cam that'll go into the USB port of this head unit and would give loop recording. It also has some cool feature like it detects the distance between your car and the front cars and kind of give you an information overview on the screen in the head unit. And that's the camera cable. So it also has the instruction booklet that pretty much gives all the information. So that is really informative, as you can see. And I'm gonna go and start installing the head unit now. And for the tools, I'll just take a couple of Phillips screwdrivers. We already have a pry bar here. I have this drill, impact driver drill for the backup, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not, but just as a backup. So let's get started. So first thing first, if you're not sure about the wiring, please make sure you take the negative point out of the battery. It uses 10 millimeter key. So please do that if you're not sure. So here's a pry bar. Just insert that here at the bottom first. Apply some pressure. So guys, I've taken this cover out, as you can see. So here the parking light, airbag, and this one is for the rear windscreen heater. So I'm gonna take this out one by one. We would need to unscrew it eventually, so I'm taking this out one by one. Okay guys, as you can see, it's unscrewed and the head cover is out. So you need to take this pins as well as this fan bracket so that we can fit that into the new head unit. Okay, to take this fan vent out, I probably need to use a smaller screwdriver. Just need to be a bit careful. These pins are a bit soft, so just handle it with care. Okay, time for the old stereo. Okay, so it just popped out like this. Now take the pin A and pin out, as you can see. That's it. Radio. Okay, so let's keep it aside. Bring in our new head unit here. Okay, so let's see the harness first. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. The main power cable that basically takes in both of the old ports or connectors. So let's insert that in here. Parking. Okay. So now let's see and connect it to the new head unit. Okay, so there it has a cooling fan, interestingly, and so you need to connect its power cable as well, and you would find a connector to it that you can latch on. Sorry, not this one. Now, this additional cable has a power connector that connects to this cooling fan. So let's hook it up. Oh, well, I'm just connecting it temporarily just for the testing to make sure that all the wiring works, and then we'll just connect it permanently when we are satisfied. It comes with two USB cable, one with 4-pin cable, and the other one with 6-pin. So basically, you can't insert the wrong adapter into the wrong port, because it's kind of designed to go into the specific one. But yeah, just don't push it too hard, right? Okay. time for a eureka moment? Yes or no? Oh yeah! Yay! Here you go! Sorry, I just turned on the wipers. But yeah, it has lit on, so which means it is working. But let's just test the functionality. Not bad. Not bad. Looks nice. Okay. Wow. There is some an AI feature as well. That is interesting.
Master.
Okay. Connected. Wow. Voila. Okay. Now let's see if I can use the navigation. I'm gonna connect the rest of the cables and we'll see what happens. Alright, so the camera is connected. So guys, I had to locate a file in the file explorer. There's a U-disk option. I'm not sure if you can see very clearly. If you go to the file explorer, there's a U-disk 1 option. Go into that and there's a dvr.apk file that you need to install to be able to operate the front view cameras, the rear view camera and its cables. Don't make it super tight at the start because it needs all the screws to settle into the holes, and then we do a final. Well, I'm gonna use the screwdriver for this because I just don't want to tighten it too much, because these are plastic panels and applying too much pressure can break it easily. So just be careful. Secondly, if you think that this is too complex for you, I would suggest get it installed from an expert or a professional. Alright guys, so I have linked up all the wires put the head unit back and let's see if it starts or it works. Voila! It is working. So it is powering on, so it's working. Let's just look at the functions, few of the functions at least. So go to navigation. And it opens up Google Maps. Hey, it also shows the location on the map. So that's nice. How about the settings? How about the map? The GPS. It gives some nice information on the GPS as well, you see? Yep. And look at the number of satellites that are we getting information from. Not bad. And the accuracy is by 5 meters plus and minus. This is wonderful. Okay. Let's check the radio. Not bad.
Make you move. I'm always on that.
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty nice. All right, guys. It looks okay to me. Now I'm gonna wire the cameras in, install it, the front and back, as you can see. All right, gentlemen. Here's the final video. So I've hooked up the front and back camera. As you can see, the front camera is displaying ADAS features, kind of calibrating. So probably you need to run the vehicle for some time to be able to get some data and calibrate your camera. I honestly speaking, I really like this head unit. It's not just the cool upgrade from the old stereo that comes by default with this car, but it just pretty much it also supports Wi-Fi and 4G network. So I have a SIM that I inserted in, and I can use it anywhere. The other cool features are about the hardware. So this comes with 4-core ARM Cortex CPU, which is really cool, pretty fast, and it also has a GPU. So as you may have noticed, its graphics, the video acceleration is pretty good, not bad. Let me just go back and show you. So, well, you need to install an app to be able to use the camera, but yeah, camera is pretty good. Quality is not bad, very nice. I also like this nice little feature of fan. So if the stereo feels itself a bit hot, it switches on the fan automatically, and that's I really like it. It's another thing that I'd like to show you. Yeah, key. I can pretty much map these keys onto the stereo. So I can set up the volume, the mode. I can switch up and down the videos as well as the music in the player. And it also supports call, receiving and disconnecting functions here. So that's pretty cool, pretty nice. So I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching my video of different products. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.